Well, the trial of suspected Boston Marathon bomber Dzhokhar Tsarnaev resumed Thursday in a federal courthouse in Boston. On the first day of the proceedings on Wednesday, the opening comments included a surprise move from the defense. VOA's Carolyn Presutti was inside the courtroom and has this report.
2 years ago, bombs left Boston scared and stunned. Two brothers, Dzhokhar and Carolyn Tsarnaev, were shown on surveillance video leaving backpacks with bombs at the Boston Marathon. The shrapnel killed 3 people and injured more than 260. Carolyn died in a police shootout several days later. Dzhokhar was captured and is now on trial in a death penalty case. Some victims were called to the stand on the trial's first day. Others were watching.
I think he's an animal. He knew when he dropped that backpack, there was kids, women, families.
In her opening statement, defense attorney Judy Clark shocked the courtroom. She agreed it is her client in the video carrying a backpack and leaving it at the finish line. But she said he was influenced by his older brother, who was, as she put it, into violent Islamic extremism and explored jihad on a trip to Russia. Prosecuting attorney William Weinreb said the defendant arrived at the marathon not as a spectator, but with murder in his heart, and said that Tsarnaev carried a bomb favored by terrorists because it was designed to tear people apart. Tsarnaev fidgeted and didn't react when Weinreb said he drove over his brother and dragged his body 15 meters during the police shootout. Melissa Babin was in the courtroom.
He seems to be pretty disengaged. He seems a little bit bored at times. At other times, he does seem to be paying attention, so it really varies a lot. It's hard to tell what's going on in his mind.
If found guilty, Dzhokhar Tsarnaev faces the death penalty. Defense attorney Clark has successfully convinced juries to save the lives of Ted Kaczynski and Jared Lee Loughner, notorious murderers now serving life sentences. This sole protester outside the courthouse said no matter what the crime, death isn't the answer.
And I believe that the state should not be involved with murdering anybody, which the death penalty is murder.
On the first day, it seems as if the defense changed the focus of the trial from is Tsarnaev guilty to will he get the death penalty? That debate is expected to last several months. In Boston, Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.